Hey guys, if you watched the video on replacing the rear right taillight, but you got a left one broken, like this one's broken, I'll show you guys how to remove the taillight and put a new one back on. If you have it, you can always call us or look up on our website at sspparts.com. We usually stock these taillights. No point paying more at the dealer. This year models of 14, but 14 to 18, they're all the same. The design of the taillight, the housing, the clear is, moved to the bottom. That's about it. Fitment wise, the way they slide in, the way they, it's all the same. 14 to 18, it could be an XT base model, a touring model, they're all the same. So they have two 10s right here. There's a 10 here and a 10 here. Just remove those. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And this taillight's broken, but if you wiggle it, it will come out. And the thing that holds it on the taillight end is these tabs. It's going here and this right here. This quarter panel is damaged, so it popped out really easily. But if you just give it a little tap, it'll pop out. This one came out real easy. If you want to look at the video we made on the other side, I'll give you a better idea on how to get it out without damaging the paint. And there's a little clip right here for the release. You just push on that and pull. It will come out. And then replace taillight bulbs as you need. This is broken. We'll probably salvage the bulbs, maybe the harness. Someone may need it. Who knows? And that's how you take off a taillight on these Foresters.